Hello, I'm Roland Guijt, and Techorama is one of my favorite conferences. And this year I have the privilege to deliver a workshop with the title OAuth, OpenID Connect and .NET, the good parts. OAuth is great to secure applications and it has lots of good parts, but also parts you should ignore nowadays. We'll cover the details in the workshop and we'll also see how the latest upcoming OAuth 2.1 revision brings us up to date to meet modern application and security requirements. The approach will be very practical and you get hands-on experience on how modern OAuth works in different kinds of .NET applications, like ASP.NET Core, Blazor and APIs. So if you are a developer curious about the latest development in application security, or if you are just starting your OAuth journey, please join me in Antwerp at the Techorama Sports Edition.